In this video, I'm going to be revealing you a simple strategy in which you can earn money with affiliate marketing. Don't worry, don't close this video yet because this is not something complicated that you're going to need a landing page, a website, an email marketing sequence, and all this stuff. This is going to be a simple step-by-step tutorial, and you don't need to pay anything. You don't need to buy anything, and you can start earning money as soon as today. Hey, hello. My name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial of how you can earn money super easy with affiliate marketing. This is not something complicated. And you can see like with a couple of clicks, you can start earning money as soon as today. And one of the coolest thing is that this is actually working worldwide. Let me show you everything here on my computer so you can know what is this actually all about. First of all, the very first website that we're going to be using, it's Audible. Audible is from Amazon. It's a company or a tool in which you are going to be finding best-selling audiobooks. Okay, so if someone is actually really busy and they cannot read for whatever reason, they can go for a walk, and they can start listening to their Facebook books, to their favorite books. Okay, so that's something that you need to take into consideration nowadays. People, when they're on the subway or when they are, driving because they are going to their work, or they are just picking their kids and whatever, they can actually use this. Okay, you're not gonna be, or you're not gonna need to actually buy anything, but it's actually good for you to have an idea of what kind of product you're going to be promoting. Okay, I'm going to show you in a moment why I decided to go with this one. Okay, one cool thing is that they do have different genders here, so you can actually find, for example, in my case, I'm going to go with golf, but you can see that they do have different categories like comedy, like history, like romance, and all this stuff. So there are a lot of information here. But with golf right now, they have 1,000 results. Okay. And one thing is that they offer a free trial. Okay. The reason why I decided to go with Audible is actually because of the free trial. It's really easier for someone to try something for free rather than to pay right away. So you're going to go to Google and you're going to type Audible affiliate, and you're going to click on this one which says Audible affiliate, make money with Audible. Okay, so you're going to be landing on this page and they tell you something really important is that you're going to be promoting, you're going to be driving traffic, and you're going to be earning money. But what I really like about Audible is actually this, their structure. Okay, if someone decided to give it a try, okay, if someone decided to give it a try, you are going to be earning $5. Yes, for every 30 days trial period, you're going to be earning $5. If they decide to go ahead and make the purchase, you're going to be earning an extra $10. If for whatever reason they decide not to go with the monthly fee, but every now and then they're going to be purchasing audiobooks, you're going to be earning 50 cents per audiobook. Okay, so this is actually really easy, really simple. And one of the things that you need to understand is the fact that if they decide to join with the trial, okay, they're going to be getting 2 free audiobooks just to get started. Okay, so really great, really simple, and a lot of earning potential, which is what we like. So how are we are going to be promoting this? Let me show you everything. Okay, one tool that I'm going to be using is this one, AnyWork. Okay, AnyWork, it's a copywriting AI tool. Okay, so that means that we are going to have a well-structured document full of valuable information, and we're not going to be writing it. You can start with the free plan. I'm going to leave a link below to make sure that you're going to get access to this free plan. This plan is free forever. If you decide to do an upgrade because you need more words, because you are earning money with this and other strategies that I have here on my channel, feel free to upgrade. Okay, so this is my AnyWork account. Now we're going to go here where it says Blog Wizard. Okay, we're going to be clicking here and we're going to be using a new blog post. Okay, we're not going to be blogging, but we're going to be creating an article. So it's asking me, describe the blog post you want to create. In my case, it's going to be how to get better in golf. Okay, so what industry it is actually undefined, but I'm going to see if there is something here on the golf. Well, yes, I do have golf. So I'm going to click here where it says next. And now the AI intelligence is creating different titles. Okay, it's creating different titles for me. For example, I have this one, 5 ways to instantly improve your golf game, which I think is actually great. How to shape stroke of your game. Okay, but I'm gonna go with this one, 5 ways. Okay, I'm gonna click next, and now it's doing the outlines. Okay, so here is it's going to be about warm up, focus on distance, focus on accuracy, focus on consistency, blah, blah, blah. Okay. If you want to add one, you can add another section or you can generate another section if you don't like this. In my case, I'm going to go with next. So now I already have the outline and I need paragraph. Okay. I need content. Okay. I want you to understand this. We are not writing anything. Okay. This is going to be the introduction. I'm going to click on this one. You can generate more. Okay, if you feel like it, and I'm gonna continue. Okay, let me cancel this, and I'm gonna be clicking here where it says generate. My article has the introduction plus 5 parts, so I'm gonna be clicking here where it says generate. Okay, I need to do this 5 times because, um, that's how big or the outlines that my article has. So I'm going to be clicking here where it says generate. And one more time, I'm going to be clicking here where it says generate. So what you're going to be doing, okay, we are going to be doing this. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss any of the videos. If you're really serious about making money online, please make sure to check the very first link in the description with what is my #1 recommendation to make money online. Now, let me go back to the video. Okay, so here we are and here we have the information. We're going to click here where it says copy blog post to clipboard, just in case that you're like, where you are, I'm actually here. Okay, so we're going to copy it and you can use a Go Word, or in my case, I'm going to go with Google Docs. Okay, I'm going to go with Google Docs. I'm going to create a blank document. And this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be pasting here the content. Boom, I have it. You can, add or improve the layout. Like you can make this bold, you can make this bigger if you want. And here you can put different call to actions like click here. Okay, click here to get better in golf. Okay, and I can highlight this and I can click here so I can add my actual link. Okay, so I can add my link. Let's say that this is going to be my link. So it's going to be HTTP, blah, 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 Audible. Okay, so this is the link you can add, and you should add this link on different sections. Okay, so once you have this, now we need to promote it. Okay, we need to promote it. We can promote it as a PDF. Okay, but there is another way in which you can actually promote it. It's by going to bucklemedia.com. Okay, on buckle.media, you're gonna have the opportunity to share your stories. Okay, and this is gonna be your story. Okay, you can go here to the search section and you can see, like, there are different categories. But if I type, for example, golf, which is my topic, you're gonna see that there are different people here sharing different ways in which you can get better at golf, or you can improve your swing and all this stuff. So this is a great fit. This is a great way in which I can start promoting this. If you need to download this, you can go to file and then you can go to share. Okay, you can publish on the website, or you can go here where it says download and you can download this as a PDF. It's 100% free for you guys to join Buckle.media, and you can promote as many articles as you want. So now this is actually a simple way in which you can actually earn money online. Now, guys, if you're really serious about earning money online and you want to learn, and my number one recommendations to make money online, feel free to check the very first link in the description with my number one recommendations to make money online so you can finally learn how to make money while you travel, while you sleep, and you can fire your boss. Okay, so that's going to be the very first link in the description. I hope you guys enjoy this content. If you do, give me a thumbs up, and I see you on the next video.